Hello and welcome back. Can I really just describe a website? Can I write a prompt and paste it in and just will the website into existence? Let's find out. So here I am with this Medium post that I wrote. And I asked the question, what if I just took a text prompt, which you can see right here, and you can see the entire lengthy prompt here. It's for a direct-to-consumer brand for tea, luxury, Japanese. I specify some fonts and some colors. Let's go back here, and let's see how well these four tools did. I tested the Mocha app, I tested Manus, I tested Google Gemini, and Lovable. And I generated a bunch of images on Reeve.art, and I tried to upload them and continue my chat and say, can you take this image and can you place it in this region of the page? Let's just see how they did. The first one was Mocha, the Mocha app. I thought this came out really well. There's a little bit of alignment problem here, but it got the fonts right and the color, and it put all of these images where I wanted them. And I uploaded this logo, which I designed after the fact. And let's see how it did for responsive. And its hamburger menu did not work. First try, pretty good. Let's take a look at, Manus. Let's take a look at Manus. I didn't ask for these cute little animations, but I do like how they came out. The typography looks nice. The hover states are elegant. It looks professional. There's a little animated fade in on scroll. This layout's a little unconventional, so I like that. Doesn't look like a template. Doesn't look too formulaic. The cards look elegant. So Manus, pretty good. Gemini, a little clumsy here. The design isn't quite as pleasing. Maybe if I squeeze this in just a little bit, it would look a little bit better. Let's just take a look. At smaller screens, this looks a little bit harmonious. It put the images where I want them. The cards look pretty good. Nice work, Gemini. And did your hamburger menu work? It did. So far, so good. But the last one, the best of the bunch, I thought was not that lovable. This lovable. I thought this was the most interesting and harmonious and professional and polished looking design, with the exception of these numeral indicated steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I squeeze this over. Those look a little awkward over here on the right side, but the great thing about all four of these projects, this was less than 10 minutes work for each of them. And while initially they built React apps, which is a collection of distributed files, I was able to prompt, can you convert these to static HTML and CSS, which I can download and edit on my local machine. I opened them up. I ran an accessibility check. I found a few errors in the code, but nothing major. It was really easy to fix them. Overall, I'm very impressed with all four of these products. The thing with vibe coding, this is like 3 or 4 months old. And I teach web design here in Seattle. And in March, I would have told my students, this isn't a thing yet, but now here it is. It's already a thing, and it's only going to get better. So here it is, the 10th of June. This is a timestamp to see what was the state of vibe designing. The future is going to be here sooner than we think. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. I'll be back next week with more AI experiments and testing. Thanks. My name is Eric.